Hi everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to be talking about shoes. But first, for those of you who haven't had a chance to subscribe, please, over here, click the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to ring the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I post a new video. Also, if you can, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me out with YouTube's analytics. And if you have any friends, co-workers, neighbors, or other family members that might be interested in these topics, go ahead and click the share button there and share it out to them. And that way they can get prepared as well, and they won't be coming after your supplies. All right? Okay, shoes. A lot of people have shoes. Some have a lot of shoes. One of my wife's friends had a boatload of shoes, but only 2 pair would serve in dire straits situations. She had too many fancy shoes and not enough useful shoes. Now, one of the things to consider with shoes is that there are 4 seasons. It's very hard to have shoes that are good for all 4 seasons for you, depending on where you live. One of the things that we worry about here in Idaho is winter. And either it's raining really bad, everything's getting muddy, and we need to have the rubber boots, or it's snow and icy, and we need to have special snowshoes and stuff to walk around in. In the summertime, it gets hot, and out there working the fields, you need to have a pair of good work boots. And if you go for walks or anything, you want to have a good pair of walking shoes, not dress shoes. So check out what shoes you have and make a list and think about updating your shoe supply. Now, I'm not done there. Something else to consider is insoles. You can get some cheap shoes at Walmart or some other similar store, Target or one of the others, and you put those suckers on. If you're out walking around for any length of time in them, your feet are going to be hurting. And you're going to need a good set of gel inserts in there to protect your feet. All right? So don't forget the shoes, the inserts, and something else you're going to need, shoelaces. Because I'm surprised on my good Red Wing shoes how often I go through shoelaces before I even have to resole the shoes. All right? So everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish, and stay prepared. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.